Hello everyone, welcome back to Crafting with Slavie, where we make cards and other paper crafts. In today's card video, we're going to make these two versions of this very simple card using Simon Says Stamps Santa's Sleigh Ride Slider stamp set. This one came out last year and I haven't had a chance to use it yet. I love it. It's so cute. It got so many great images and I couldn't wait to use it this year. I decided to use it in a pretty simple way. I've just got some colored cardstock here that I am using chipped sapphire to go around 3 of the edges with. And then I'm going to use my Make Art Station and do a little bit of ink blending once that ink has dried, and pardon me, through a stencil. So I'm using the scrapbook.com. I believe it's called Frosted Lace. I'll double check and put it in the description below. This is a great color. It's got a bit of a sheen to it. It's just gorgeous. I debuted it in an unboxing video, which you can check out in the top right hand corner here. And it was perfect for this card. There's quite a bit of coloring, so I'm going to let you watch that and I will be back for the assembly. All right, I thought it was worthwhile to leave a little bit of this footage in here of how I was trying to line up my stamps. So I've put all of my pieces together, and I should mention that all of these panels I die cut out using the Lawn Fawn's outside inch stitch rectangle stackables die, using the largest die, and it creates a really beautiful border because my card base is going to be red. Anyway, I used my craft pick to kind of maneuver the stamps around, and then when that was done, I removed the extra pieces and I used my Rabbit Tail Designs embossing powder tool to prep my card base, and then I'm using just some regular superfine detail gold embossing powder from Ranger. And you can see that it kind of stuck to the stenciled ink on that paper. I don't think it was quite dry, but it, like, once I gave it a little flick, it came off just nicely, so that was fine. And then I also had to make an adjustment here where I wanted the Happy Holidays in the same place, so I just used a previously stamped and embossed background to position the Happy Holidays, but other than that, From All of Us is all in the same spot. And then I went in with my aqua shimmer pen and I just went a little nuts on all of the snow on this card. I have to say, this is the first time I've tried to color, like Copic color snow on the ground like this. I'm not super thrilled with the result, but honestly, once the ink dried back, you couldn't really tell. And I left this in here. You can kind of see the sheen and sparkle, so you can only imagine what it looks like in real life. So I went ahead and I assembled all of my cards. There's 6 in total, so this is a really great card design for making several cards at once. And I also included a white same outside in stitch rectangle panel on the inside to write your sentiment, just because it is a red cardstock, and I've mentioned this in the previous video. This is Re-Entry Red, also from Nina, but it is 65 pounds, so it's not a heavy-duty cardstock, which is why I like to reinforce it with the white. And then I went ahead and assembled the rest of this card, really simple, just some liquid glue there, and then I popped up Santa's sleigh with the reindeer on some scrapbook adhesive foam squares, and I just went ahead and attached it, and it goes off the card just a little bit, and it was just the perfect way to finish off this card. Some super simple card designs for if you're in a hurry or you want to get some coloring done for your Christmas cards. So I hope you enjoyed today's card video, and I will see you in the next one.